Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have an extra Verizon router lying around and you want to use it as a Wi-Fi extender, you don't need to buy anything new, and I'm going to show you how you can turn it into an extender step by step. So you are basically converting your second router into an access point, so it extends your main Wi-Fi network. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to start by resetting your extra Verizon router. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button, and you need to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This particular step is going to clear any old settings and also avoid any conflicts. Now, once that is done, you need to connect your laptop or your phone to the second router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Now you need to open your web browser and log in into the router settings using its default IP address, which usually printed on the router. So here inside the settings, simply change the router's IP address or something different from your main router. For example, if your main router is, let's say, 192.168.1.1, you can set it 1 to the 192.168.12. So this is going to prevent the network conflicts. Now after that, this particular thing is important. You need to disable the DHCP on the second router, and this is going to ensure that your main router controls all the devices on the network. Now set the same Wi-Fi name and the password as your main router, and this particular step is going to allow you the seamless switching between the networks. So once that is done, you need to simply connect the two routers using the Ethernet cable. So first of all, you need to plug into the LAN port on the main router. Then you need to plug it into the LAN port on the second router. Do not use the WAN port on the second router. Then place the second router in an area where your Wi-Fi is weak but still gets some signal. Now it will act as an extender and also improve the coverage. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.